Where'd you run off to? Didn't you say you were going to buy iced pineapple? What weird thing has lured you away this time? No, you don't. The color personality test last week, the music personality test the week before, and the horoscope matching guide the week before that. Should I go on about the many silly tests you've put me through? That was just a coincidence. Goldman probably needs more work to keep him occupied. And so do you. If you've got so much free time, I can send you the reviewed version of the proposal now. Where are you? I'll come find you. Yep, I see it now. And an excited dummy standing over there. It seems that even if I traveled to 100 years ago, the first thing I do is meet you. Hey, where are you? Yes, I have some free time now to read your proposal. You only have half an hour. Since you're already here, why didn't you come wait in the conference room? What are you trying to say? It seems you're quite confident in your collaboration proposal. I'll leave that type of stress relief to you. If you like them so much, why don't you get one for yourself? I'll give you 10 more minutes. When you're done relieving your stress, bring your perfectly adjusted attitude and your proposal to come see the board of directors. What is this video you sent me? Do you expect me to be able to skate like this? That was a very quick no. I haven't said anything yet. Why are you panicking? I saw your recent posts on Moments. It's full of videos and praises. Is this your way of showing me the charm of ice skating from different perspectives? If you're only sharing it with me, why is the video set on repeat? Since you're so diligent, I'm guessing you've cultivated your interests quite well then. How about... So then the 2 competition tickets I received will have to be given away then. Recently, LFG has had many things that are publicity worthy. I'll think about it if you behave yourself.